Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle. I upload new videos every Wednesday. Today I'm here with a hair tutorial for you guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get these wet, tousled, effortless waves. So if you guys are interested in learning how to achieve the wet hair look this summer, then definitely keep on watching. I'm telling you, this is going to be like the easiest hair tutorial you've ever watched in your life. And also, before you go anywhere, please don't forget to go to the bottom little right section and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified every Wednesday when I upload. I love you guys, and let's jump into this summer wet hair makeup tutorial. Makeup tutorial, hair tutorial, God. What is wrong with me? Let's get into the video. So first and foremost, with this hair look, you want to have your hair in a braid. You want to sleep with your hair in a braid. That way your hair has time to build like a natural texture and wave to it. As you guys have seen in previous makeup tutorials, I always sleep with my hair in a braid, hence why it's so messy. Like, this is literally me when I roll out of bed. Messy braid, and it just makes it so much easier. And the reason why I love this hairstyle so much is because it works with literally like 5th day hair. Like, I haven't washed my hair since I think Sunday, and it's currently Wednesday, so it's great for when your hair already has some shine to it, because then it looks like it's like intentional shine, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna brush the top out, but I'm not gonna brush the bottom because I want to keep the waves. All right, great. So now once your hair is parted, I like dividing my hair in maybe like 2 sections per side. So I'm gonna take half of this side up. So to crimp it, I'm using this crimper that I'm sure you guys have been seeing a lot on YouTube. I got mine on Amazon for like 30 bucks. I'm telling you, it works really well. I don't know why a bunch of these YouTubers are telling you to spend like $80 on a hair crimper that's gonna be completely out of style. Because honestly, we all know it'll be just like 2003. It was like cool for a little bit, and then hair crimping was completely out of style. So just get a cheap one off Amazon. I'll link this one down below, and it works fine. The only thing with this one is that it does take a while to heat up. So I normally like letting it heat up while I'm like brushing my teeth, so that way by the time I go to do my hair, it's already nice and hot and ready. Go ahead and spray your heat protector spray. Do as I say, not as I do. I can't find my heat protector spray, so I'm gonna skip it and damage my hair, but don't do that. Use heat protector spray. I'm just gonna take random sections of hair and start crimping. Now, I'm not gonna crimp my whole head of hair because, like I titled this video, this is like a lazy girl hairdo, so we don't want to spend a whole bunch of time crimping our hair. That's why we slept with it in a braid. Just hold it down, and this is pretty self-explanatory. You just literally want to hold the wave. And what I like to do to get more of a defined wave is I'll kind of like do this to the hair. And I don't know, I just find that it helps the hair have more definition. And then I'm gonna move down. And I normally like to take random size sections of hair. I don't take a specific size. That way it kind of just looks like natural hair wave. And now you're left with a hair crimp. Look at that, look how pretty that looks. So I'll just set that off to the side, and then I'll grab another random section. And so you're basically going to repeat this process throughout your whole head of hair. Again, skipping some sections, crimping some sections. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, so once I get to my top layer, I like to section off my bangs separate because I'm not gonna crimp my bangs. I'll show you how I like to do my bangs. When I get to the top, I don't like to crimp it way up here. I like to start a little further down. That way the top of my hair stays like nice and sleek. It's crazy too, because I feel like when your hair is like on day 3, when you have day 3 hair, it definitely holds the crimp a lot nicer than very like freshly cleaned hair. All right, and then once I get to these like 2 front parts of my, divvy it up maybe in like 2 sections. I like taking these with my curling wand instead of my crimper, just because, I don't know, I feel like it frames my face a little bit better. So I'll take the barrel, and I like starting it again further down, maybe about right here. And again, I've mentioned this in so many videos on how to give your hair a natural wave with a curling iron, you basically just wrap your hair around the barrel, twist it, go down, up, twist the hair, down, up, twist the hair, down, up, twist. And basically by twisting it, it's going to create a wave instead of a spiral curl. I'm just bringing it over the barrel, twisting it, over the barrel, twisting it, over the barrel. And I don't know, I just like the way that frames my face. Alright, so from here you can kind of like tousle your fingers through your hair, touch up any crimps or add more texture to the hair. But what I love about this is since I had my hair in a natural braid, like you see the natural waves mixed with the crimp ones, and it just looks so beachy and summery. And then once the whole hair is crimped, whenever I apply heat to my hair or just in general when I'm styling my hair, I love applying rice water spray just to protect my ends and strengthen it. Just add it and spritz that. And this also helps kind of start the whole damp look. It also helps kind of loosen up the waves. And then once I apply that, oh, I had my coconut oil too close to my heating tools and now it's all melted. So once I have that, I like taking organic coconut oil, and this is what I like using kind of as a styling cream or like a gel to again achieve that wet look. So I like taking this much coconut oil, which is honestly a lot because I feel like a little bit of coconut oil goes a long way. And I'll run it through my hands, honestly on both sides, to make sure I don't have too much in one section. And then I just comb my fingers through the hair. And I love coconut oil because it works like a gel to where you're gonna get that wet look without being left with super crunchy hair. Not only that, it's also going to work as like a deep conditioner for your hair. So if you're planning on washing your hair the next day, it's like you're giving your hair a hair treatment, but your hair is going to look really cute in the end. And then I'll take a little more and focus it more on my roots. Now I normally like completely avoid coconut oil on my roots at all costs, but for this look you want it to be more sleek and laid down like you just got out the pool, like your hair is soaking wet. And then lastly, this stuff is optional, but if I still feel like I have flyaways, I'll take some hairspray. This is my Garnier Fructis hairspray that I like because it doesn't leave your hair too hard, but it does keep it in place. But I'll basically take some on the palm of my hand and just kind of bring that through my hair too. I'll also focus it toward like my front pieces and just do a light spray throughout. Alright guys, and here you have it. This is the completed look. This is how to give yourself that tousled wet look. This is perfect for the summer when you just want a quick, easy style. You want to look like you tried really hard to do your hair, but like really you didn't try that hard. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Before you go anywhere, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're notified every Wednesday when I upload. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!